from daring officers to use pepper spray.
He said, no, get out my car!
No, sir.
No, get out my car!
Get out. You're gonna get sprayed. Turn around.
You're not gonna spray me!
Yes, I am.
I don't need no license, registration, or no plates. They told me to take my plates off.
Get into that.
I understand all that, but I went through it, so, you know what? And he shouldn't have never did what he did, pulling me out my car.
To threatening lawsuits over a routine stop.
Stop moving. What are you doing? Are you seriously about to pull out your taser?
I'm an attorney.
Now you're in total violation. Big boy, get ready. Get ready!
Welcome to Stronger Law, where delusional entitlement ends and the authority of the law takes over. And today you're about to see self-proclaimed sovereign citizens turn routine traffic stops into complete disasters in seconds. Starting with this stubborn driver who slapped a fake plate on her truck and learned the hard way that the law applies to everyone.
So go ahead and exit the vehicle. I'm going to break your window.
Because I'm getting.
Step out of the vehicle.
I'm already out.
Go and step out of the vehicle.
You just said not to let him break the window, my love. I did not let him break the window.
On November 7th, 2023, police stopped a truck with fake plates at a local high school. But what started as a routine check quickly spiraled into an unhinged legal standoff.
Go ahead.
In the high school parking lot, going to be a red Dodge truck. License plate says private. Go and roll the window down.
I would prefer not.
All the way down.
I have enough room to speak to you.
Okay, go ahead and roll the window down.
I'm going to speak to you like it is.
Okay. Your driver's license, proof of insurance, please.
Have I committed a crime?
Yes.
What crime have
Your
I
license
committed?
plates are invalid
How are they invalid?
because they are not registered.
Am I in commercial property?
Okay, here's the thing. We're not going to do this, okay? So there's one of two things that can happen. You can leave with a couple citations, or you can go to jail. So it's up to you how you want to do this. Okay, we're not going to play the sovereign citizen game.
I'm not playing a sovereign citizen game.
Okay, I need your driver's license, proof of insurance.
What crime have
I need your
committed?
driver's license, proof of insurance, please.
What crime have I committed?
I'm going to ask you one more time, and I'm going to pull you out of the vehicle.
Unless you identify the crime,
503 stand up. Go and start me another unit.
send a sheriff with them.
Nope.
Send a sheriff.
Okay, here's what's going to happen. You're going to go ahead and give me your license, or I'm going to break your window and pull you out of the vehicle. Okay?
Oh, that's going to be...
Okay.
Pulling the sovereign citizen card with a fake plate is purely delusional. Keep ignoring officers because her broken window reality check is coming up next.
So you want me to unlock the vehicle and go?
I want you to unlock the vehicle and go and step out of the vehicle.
That's what he's telling me to do. If I cannot unlock the vehicle and step out of the vehicle, he's going to break the window. What crime have I committed?
I'm not going to tell you again. You have unregistered license plates. You're operating a motor vehicle, unregistered, on state property. So go ahead and exit the vehicle. I'm going to break your window. Okay?
Alright, well then get ready to call me. Really?
Okay, go and step out of the vehicle.
Because I'm
Go and step out of the vehicle.
I'm already
Go
out.
and step out of the vehicle.
You just said not to let him break the window, my love. I did not let him break the window. Yep, I'm being arrested, my love. Unregistered plates.
And failure to identify.
Failure to identify and unregistered plates.
Let's go to the front of my vehicle, please. Put your legs. You have anything on you that's going to hurt me, poke and stick me?
Nope.
Any kind of ID on you at all?
There's one in my pocket.
Did you? Well, it's going to be towed now.
That's the one I told you about the other day.
Oh, did you?
No, I called your chief about this one the other day.
Okay, well, it's gonna get towed. 503 Central, show 1 detained.
1041 detained.
So you'd rather go to jail over a couple citations?
Officer Patience ran out, and handcuffs instantly crushed her fake authority, but the drama escalates as her husband steps in to defend her absurd logic.
Can I help you, sir? What's that? Okay, how can I help you? Okay. Okay, well, it's getting towed and she's going to jail.
Can I ask what crime she committed?
Failure to identify, police officer.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing in it.
So let me explain how this works, okay?
Oh, shit, man. You guys know me. I've been pulled over.
I don't know you.
You are, and we have people that act like this. And we have a guy that just pulls up in a semi, and I'm not taking any.
I get you. I get
Okay,
you.
so
I'm a former Marine, so
I got you. No, and I respect that. I respect what you did, okay? But let me explain how this works, okay? Whatever she believes, that's fine. State of Texas says that you have to operate a motor vehicle with proper tags, okay? The private tags do not work. Whether you believe the amendment says this out of the other, State of Texas says something completely different.
I'll take it up to the judge.
Okay, that's fine.
The state of Texas motor vehicle code talks about motor vehicles and the definition of a motor vehicle.
We're not going to go into that. I'm going to stop it right there, okay?
All right.
So when I made contact with her, I asked her for her driver's license, proof of insurance. She failed to provide either one of those until I pulled her out of the vehicle.
Right.
So that's
She's
called
under
failure.
arrest, right?
She's under arrest
And that's a crime how?
because she failed to identify.
How's that a crime?
We're not going to get into that, okay? So she's going to go to jail, and that vehicle is going to be
503.
Officer Alejandro.
We're no longer talking.
Okay, that's fine. You're free to go.
Can
You're free to go, sir. No, sir. You're free to go. Have a good day.
Deputy Rojas.
I just had a discussion with one of the deputies the other day about this whole thing. She said, right. So
Who was the deputy?
there's a female deputy.
Which one?
Hispanic deputy.
I'll talk to you, sir. He's on.
Yeah.
Just came back.
Well, I need my truck. I've got my truck.
I can probably get these up.
Where are the keys at, boss?
Well, they should be on the constable right there, but I don't want to consent to any searches.
Well, that's not. That's you don't have to consent. It's incident to arrest. If you would like, you can come with me to the vehicle and you can get the keys that you need. I'll allow you to do that.
Keys or anything you want to get out.
Thanks, sir. Because let me explain.
Debating the Constitution while breaking basic traffic laws is downright ridiculous. Watch the officer handle her cooperative husband, showing the line between compliance and stubbornness.
Can't afford to have my truck.
And I understand that.
The trucking rates are fucking. They're out of the roof.
I used to drive
They're under. They're under.
What's your name?
My name's Wesley.
Wesley. I'm Roman.
Roman.
Okay.
Come on, do us a favor.
Let's come over here and talk. Okay.
Do us a favor.
I can see my insurance.
Yeah, if you
I'll-
have to see insurance. That's a big one.
Give me just a second. We'll get to that one. I want to talk to you right here. Okay.
I know. In front of your camera.
Okay. Listen. I get it. Okay. I understand that your interpretation of the law or her interpretation of the law are different from what I was taught and what my badge says I'm supposed to do. Okay.
This is all about education of fellow
But
people.
again, and here's the thing. When I ask her for a simple thing, such as ID, and she puts the camera in my face, which again, I have no problem being recorded. I've had it before.
recording us.
I have no problem. Okay? But when I ask her for ID and she wants to go back and forth and play this rhetoric, that could save her seriously 5 minutes of time. All I would have done is say, you know what? Get these violations fixed. Have a good day. Be safe going home.
Yeah, and we would have gone to the court. And
But-
if
to
the court says, judge says, buy it.
Yeah.
we can do that.
But she didn't do that.
I get that.
I said, and she had the window rolled up. There was a knife sitting right there by the window. Who's to say that she can't roll the window down, pull it out, and stab me? I've seen it happen.
Well,
Everyone knows that pulling the knife out is going to be a lot faster than me
We
pulling my
don't
gun
know
out.
her like you do. We're going on basis that we've
Never met her.
I'm attempting to save you a lot of fucking paperwork. Is what I'm trying to do.
You're not going to say me any paperwork.
I mean, you can let her go. We take the truck back to Shar and Ken's where we've been staying for a year and a half now.
Well, you were staying in town the other day because that's where the truck was.
Well, we were over at a friend's house.
Okay.
So you're staying at Sharkins?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, it's literally right now.
How long have y'all been living in Texas?
We've been here in Texas on and off for about a year now, a little over a year.
Okay. Does she work anywhere?
She's not. No, she stays at home with my puppy dog.
Okay.
She helps folks do stuff, you know, like little knickknacks and paddywhacks, and we train dogs.
I gotcha.
We train protection dogs.
I gotcha.
And I'm just.
So what is the purpose of all this? What is she going to accomplish by doing this?
Well, it's called, you know, you guys took an oath to uphold and defend the Constitution.
And you're talking about traveling, correct? You're talking about the ability to travel, which it says in the Constitution.
Crossing interstate lines.
Crossing interstate lines with this?
Well, technically she left Kansas, so she crosses the border. So.
Yeah.
So that's crossing.
We can go anywhere.
So
freely.
I work for the federal government, so I understand I do a lot of this.
The Constitution says that you have the right to travel freely across this country of ours.
Right. Without impeding.
Major respect to the officer for separating her hostility from her husband's cooperation to avoid towing fees. The debate ends here. Her final consequences are next.
Okay, Ms. Blair. I know you probably don't want to talk to me, that's fine. Just letting you know, you are going to be going to jail today for failure to identify, okay? As I explained to your husband, I am going to release the vehicle to him. I'm not going to tow your vehicle today. I'm going to cut you that break. But understand, all this could have been solved with you just giving me this. I would have given you some citations and sent you on down the road, okay? But you wanted to play the, I believe this and that and the other, and here we are, okay? When you're stopped by a law enforcement officer, you're supposed to identify, okay? Whether you believe it or not, it's irrelevant. State of Texas says that that's what you're supposed to do. Okay? So, you will be going to jail tonight for that. Do you have any questions for me? No? Okay. I'll buckle you in. Scoot towards me a little bit.
The law applies to everyone charged with failure to identify and operating an unregistered vehicle. She learned a costly lesson about trying to stand above the law. Everyone has their opinion, and the viewers who commented below this video are no exception. I think my favorite part about your stupidity is how you begged the cops to have mercy on you when your own wife couldn't even be bothered to. A private tag is also known as pull me over, find me, and take me to jail. Being a veteran, I'm embarrassed whenever a veteran claims sovereign citizen status. My oath never expires. To protect this country from all enemies, foreign and domestic, to obey all laws, etc. What's your take on this case? Let us know below. Lesson learned: driving on public roads is a privilege, not an ungoverned right. Chanting sovereign citizen won't magically break state laws. If you thought one fake plate was absurd, wait until you see this next driver try to turn a routine traffic stop into a customer service debate.
No, get out my car!
No, sir.
No, get out my car!
Get out. You're gonna get sprayed. Turn around.
You're not gonna spray me!
Yes, I am.
I don't need no license, registration, or no plates. They told me to take my plates off.
Get into that.
I understand all that, but I went through it, so you know what? And he shouldn't have never did what he did, pulling me out my car.
On January 31st, 2024, Millburn police stopped a Jeep Grand Cherokee after an LPR scan revealed the driver had a suspended license. But when officers approached the window, they quickly realized something else was at play.
Stolen, suspended on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee color white out of Newark 46 Roman holding jail.
Bravo 4, being around.
Not absolutely nothing. You're suspended, your license, and your registration. So I need, sir, I need your license, registration, insurance.
I'm not giving you anything. Call the sergeant.
License, registration, insurance.
I'm not giving you anything.
Yes, you will.
No, I'm not.
You're going to be placed under arrest.
Look, check this out.
You're going to be placed under arrest.
You want me my license and registration? And I'm telling you.
Or step it up. All right, sir. Step out for me, please.
I'm not getting out my
Step
car.
out.
As you see, I'm asking for a superior. No, you're not about to open my door. Look at me trying to open my door.
That's right.
Look at you. No, get out my car.
No, sir.
No, get out my car.
Get out.
Get out of my car.
Get out.
Sir, can I see a superior?
No, absolutely not. You can speak to one later.
No, I got to talk to a superior. No, no, you can't open my door.
Yes,
That's against the law.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You cannot open my. You cannot open my. Look what he's doing, y'all.
Yes, sir.
You cannot open my door. You cannot open my door.
Step out.
No, you're not.
Step
You're
out.
not getting out the car till you
Step
go
out, you're getting dragged out.
No, you're not.
Step out, you're getting dragged out.
No, you're not.
Step out, you're getting dragged out.
Get off of my what's your name?
Step out, you're getting dragged out.
Dragged out for what?
Step, bro, don't do
you
it.
dragging me out for?
Step out, step out, step out, step out,
Here,
step out.
Look at this.
Put the
Look
phone
at
down.
this. I'm
Put the
not
phone
putting
down
my
and turn
phone
around.
No, it's not.
Put it down.
No, it's not. I'm not
Put it
under
down.
arrest.
Put it. Yes, you are. Turn around.
Arrest for what?
Turn around.
What am I under
Turn
arrest
around.
for? Get off of
Turn
me,
around,
man.
bro.
Get off of me, bro.
Bro, you're gonna get sprayed. Turn around.
Look at this. Yo, listen, I'm not resisting.
Yo, you're gonna get sprayed.
Put your hand behind your back. My hand is behind my back.
Put your hand behind your back.
My hand behind my back.
Right, turn around.
Man, get the off of me.
No, turn around.
Why the you pulled me over?
I just told you, but you didn't want to listen. You want to scream.
I ain't listening. I am listening. You told. I said, give me a sergeant.
No, sir. That's not how that works.
That's how it goes.
No, it doesn't. Turn around. You're gonna get sprayed. Turn around.
You're not gonna spray me.
Yes, I am. If you don't turn around, I promise you I will. I promise you.
I promise you won't.
I promise you.
You know who I am. Look at my phone. Hey, y'all see this, right?
Well, dude, if you listened the first time, we wouldn't have to be here.
Y'all see this? They harass.
Demanding a supervisor like he's at a grocery store. He forgot this is a traffic stop, not customer service. In just a moment, this customer is getting handcuffs instead of an apology.
For nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I'm not resisting. Look.
Yes, you were, bro. You don't listen.
It's on camera. I hope y'all camera was on. I wasn't resisting.
It's on for all this, bro, so you're not having to argue.
What y'all locking me up for? What am I
just
locking
turn
up
this
for?
shit down?
Why y'all locking me up?
Nah, we're good. One detained.
What did y'all locking me up for? I ain't do shit.
Stop fucking yelling, all
I
right?
ain't do nothing.
Relax, man. Act like a fucking adult.
Man, get your fucking hands
Act like an adult.
Stop putting your hands on my
Relax.
face. Get this guy right here,
bro.
please.
Relax.
Please get him. He is thought. He is illegal.
No, it's not illegal, sir.
screaming,
Number
man.
one, you're being...
Yo, this guy pulled me over for nothing. I'm at Shore Hills Mall.
You want me to tell you why? You want to keep screaming?
Yo, he's dragged me out my
Yo! Relax. Act like a fucking adult.
Yo,
2
him.
seconds. I'm gonna fucking speak with him.
Okay.
Tell me what's going on.
I was at Shore Hills Mall.
Okay.
I came around and what's the name? I came out, he threw his lights on.
Okay.
I followed all over. He said, I pulled you over because your license suspended. I said, why'd you running my plates? I didn't do a traffic.
We can run your plates.
I understand that, but I can't.
regardless.
But listen, you cannot pull me over if it's not a traffic infringement. I done been through this shit.
Listen. We can run your plate regardless.
But you can't pull me over for no traffic. If you pull me over, it's got to be a traffic infringement. I did not disobey no traffic. What's the name?
I get that.
But look,
you're not
check this
listening
out.
to me.
I understand what you're saying. I know my rights.
Okay.
I know my rights.
Listen,
I
I
was
know.
in my
And we're
car.
not-
This
we're
guy
not
took me out
violating
my
your
car.
rights.
Yes, he is. You cannot take me out my car. I called for a sergeant. I said,
Okay.
can you give me a superior?
Sergeant's on the way.
I said, can you give me? No, he pulled me out my car. No, I ain't getting no superior. He pulls me out my car, started opening my door. Then he stepped back and about to spray me. Sir, you cannot do that to me. Okay, if you want something from me, I'm getting out the car.
Listen.
Then he say you gonna spray me. I'm like, bro, why you gonna spray me? He just started treating me all crazy, man. And that's the only reason why I'm bad. Because you can't pull me out my car. Everything he did was totally illegal. Totally illegal. That was illegal. He pulled me out my car right there. He went inside. He took his hand and went inside of my car and opened my door and started pulling me out of my car.
When did he put his lights on?
Screaming, "I'm not resisting," while squirming like a dancer to avoid handcuffs, a truly peak performance. Once the show ends, he'll start lecturing them on a law only he understands.
He put his lights on back there.
Back by the mall, right?
Back by the mall.
Why did it take you so long? That's why he's doing this. It's because it took you
so
this
long.
long.
I said I was going to pull into a residential area.
Okay.
I didn't want to pull in over the highway.
Okay.
I thought I was getting off in a residential area when it said Morristown. But when I got on the highway, I saw it wasn't. I pulled over. I said, okay, I ain't going to go too far because I don't want to make it seem like they're chasing me. So when he got right here, I said, okay, yo, just call the superior. I said, what are you pulling me over for? It wasn't like I speeded. It wasn't like I was speeding, taking a high-speed chase.
I understand.
I was doing about 25 miles per hour.
I get it.
So when I pulled over, you opened the door. You grabbing me out for what? My car not coming back reported stolen. Okay, you may say I'm driving on suspended license. Okay, yeah, I'm giving up my right as a living being. I'm going to salvaging. All my paperwork is being done. I don't need no license, registration, no plates. They told me to take my plates off. So the court told me to take their plates off. I got got a Loniano title to my car. I don't need this shit.
You need to have it registered.
Yeah, no, you don't.
Whatever they told you is a lie.
Listen,
I'm explaining to you.
I understand.
New Jersey title code says you need to have a license.
I understand
a registered vehicle with a license.
But it's federal. It's federal. And so the Supreme Court is the supreme law of the land.
We're not going to get into that.
I understand all that, but I went through it. So you know what? And he shouldn't have never did what he did, pulling me out my car. I wasn't in no high-speed chase.
I understand, but
Then
when it takes you almost a mile,
no, it wasn't no mile. I just
half mile, whatever.
It wasn't even no half mile. I turned off right there.
By the on-ramp, right?
Yeah, on-ramp. I ain't even 1,000 feet.
Okay.
Probably 1,000 feet away. But for him to go in my car and pull me out my car, I am suing you, bro. Okay. He started munching my face, talking about turn around. Why you got your hands in my face, man?
Spitting it.
I'm not spitting, bro. I'm talking this way. He's got his hands in my face.
All right.
I am suing the shit out of y'all, bro. I'm suing the yo. You should have saw what he doing to me. He dragged me out my car, man.
All right,
He dragged me out of my car. Where's your superior at, man?
No,
this is totally wrong. Nah,
sitting in the back. Go ahead.
Give my phone. Where's my phone?
It's gonna go right next to you.
This guy's nasty, bro. This guy's nasty. Please, somebody give me another officer, man.
Sit in the car.
Please, where's I need.
Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Everything's being recorded. You got another camera right in front of you.
I don't care, man. You was totally disrespectful,
No, I
man.
wasn't, sir.
You was totally disrespectful.
Who started screaming from the beginning?
You shouldn't have pulled me out my car.
Who started screaming from the beginning?
You shouldn't have pulled me out my car.
Okay.
The driver pulls the sovereign citizen card, claiming personal autonomy. The legal debate heats up as he's escorted into the patrol car.
Dude, man, Matos should apparently.
Matos pulled him over?
Yeah, on light 4, I guess he lit him up, and he didn't stop until here. So I guess Matos walked in and he got all hot because he didn't stop for whatever, a mile. Okay. So he tried to pull him out, and the guy started resisting. I don't know, talk to Matos.
That's fine. This was open like this?
Yeah, after he pulled him out. We just tried to yank him out because he didn't stop?
No, well, not because of that. Like, that'd be silly. I came around this side, and I said, all right, sir, so, and then right off that, you, I'm not stopping, I'm not doing none of this, I'm suspended, you didn't pull me over for no reason, start screaming at me right from the beginning. I said, I'm not doing shit, I'm not giving you nothing. I was like, okay, then get out the car.
Yeah, all right.
No, it wasn't.
You're good, bro.
Yeah. So then I told him to get out, he didn't want to get out, he started spitting everywhere, so that's why I was like, oh, no, he's spitting towards us, he spit like towards Tyler, too, that's why he was trying to throw.
You know I ain't
Hey, listen. What's your first name?
My name is Deshaun Wiggins.
Deshaun Wiggins.
Yes,
all right.
my ID and all my license.
All right,
all
that's
that
fine.
stuff right there, man.
Listen. So here's what's going on. He's saying that the boss is on the way. By the way, I call him. He's
Yes.
coming. He's saying that you didn't want to give him any paperwork, like license, registration, any of that
I
stuff.
said when he pulled over, I said, "What are you pulling me over for?" I have the right to ask.
Correct,
why you
and he has the right to tell you. He's supposed to tell you.
He said, and I said, "Can I speak to him?" He said, "No." He said, "Get out the car." I said, "What are you pulling me over for?" He said, "License, registration." I said, "Sir, what are you pulling me over for?"
Okay.
I didn't do anything. Listen, I saw him. He chased me. He chased me.
From the mall?
From the mall.
Okay.
He chased me. Listen. I didn't want to pull over on the highway. I wanted to pull
Listen,
into town.
we get that, yeah.
Right? That's all I want to do. Not only that, look at his camera. I stopped and I said, "Excuse me, officer, I'm trying to pull over on the town." I said that outside of my car window. He said, "Pull over." I said, "You know what? I ain't going to try to cause no problems." I pulled over. If you look at that video camera, you'll see my hand out the window saying, "Officer, pull on the side of me." He said, "No, I'm not pulling on the side of you." I said, "Okay, I'm just trying to pull into town." I said, "You know what? I pulled over." I said that. Ask him, did I say that? Why is he checking my car? I'm not, this is not a criminal, this is not a criminal stop. This ain't a criminal stop. Tell him to get out my car. I did not give him consent to check my car. Please, officer.
They can't go in your car.
He is in my car. He is in my car. They are checking my car for what?
Misquoting laws won't save you on the side of the road. Officers follow strict protocol for vehicle inventory, setting off another shouting match over privacy rights next.
For what? He can't be in my car.
We're allowed to look what's in plain view.
Listen, you can't check my car.
We can look and see what's in plain view. He's not going to go in there. If he goes in there, correct. You're all correct. But we can look from outside the car and see what's in there. That's fine.
I don't have a problem with him checking the car, but like him right there, he just violated me. You cannot pull me over if it's not a traffic stop. Even if you see my license or something that expired, you have to wait till I do something illegal and use that as a what's the name.
That's not correct.
Rockland versus US 425-261, Title 16, 2016. If Union Police hit somebody's license plate, you pulled them over while they in the parking lot. When they pulled them over, they gave him a ticket, towed his car, and said that...
In the parking lot?
Yeah, in the parking lot. Put him over in the parking lot, towed his car. Said, what was the traffic infringement? Said, nah, we hit his plate. They said, that's not enough to cover to have somebody pulled over and then tow their car.
In the parking lot?
Yeah, he pulled him over in the parking lot. He was about to pull him out. He was about to pull out. He blocked him in. This is the same thing. I did not commit no traffic infringement.
You're not in the parking lot anymore. You're driving the car in a public roadway.
I didn't commit no traffic infringement. I didn't die. I wasn't speeding.
I understand.
Listen, I wasn't speeding. I made my left-hand turn. I turned my signals on. I wasn't doing nothing illegal. I did not do no
I understand.
traffic. So what kind
Is your license suspended? You don't have to tell me. I mean, he's going to run it anyway.
Listen, all this stuff, I let all this go. They told me I had to let my license be suspended. I had to let my registration run out in order to get my sovereignty. So that's what they had told me. So I let it all run out. I didn't pay it. And then once I'm in it right now, my paperwork is in. My baby mother sent all the paperwork.
What is that for?
It's for my sovereignty. It's for your living rights. You don't have to have your license.
So you're a sovereign citizen is what you're saying?
Yes, I'm applying for my sovereign citizen.
In the state of New Jersey, if you don't provide license, registration, insurance, or at least your license, you're going to get arrested.
He's checking my car. Look, he's inside of my car. Look, he's inside of my car. He's inside of my car.
Hang on. What's he doing? What are you doing? Guys fucking flipping out.
I have to get these bags.
Screaming about privacy while chanting fake case law like a magic spell won't change reality. The car doors remain wide open. Next, officers gather to figure out what kind of genius they just dealt with.
What are we talking about?
He's a sovereign citizen.
Yeah, he was going... He went ballistic on me right from the beginning. I didn't even get a chance to say nothing to him. He started screaming and yelling.
Well, that's what he said. He told me he asked you what you were stopping him for.
Yeah.
And then you're like, I'll tell you after you give me your paperwork.
Not in the slightest. None of that happened. As soon as I walked through the window, I'm not giving you shit, nothing like that. He said, why the fuck are you stopping me? You're driving while suspended. Okay, I'm not giving you shit.
Well, that's what he said. He's in there fucking citing case law to me. And I'm like, dude, in the state of New Jersey, we can run your registration. Yeah. And if anything comes back wrong, then we can stop you.
It hit off my LPR. I didn't even run.
Is he tinted though?
Tinted too?
Yeah.
But it's a whole bunch of he tried ducking on me too. So like we passed each other Neiman's, right in front of Neiman's, right in front of J1, and then I spun around, and by the time I turned around, he was gone. So he tried going the long way around the deck. So I cut through in front of Legal Seafoods and met him in front of Macy's, and he tried fucking ducking me in front of a couple. I was like, bro, you're not going on.
All right, you're good here, right?
Yeah. I just he's gonna give me a hard time when we get down there. So I
think not Delgado. Panero's gonna come.
Man, I don't give. We have good ID.
Yeah.
I can cite him on scene and all that, but
I'll just send it to you.
Charged with obstruction, resisting arrest, and multiple traffic violations. A costly reality check for anyone thinking homemade legal babble can outsmart real law enforcement. With such a crazy situation, the comments that followed after the video was released are also noteworthy. I just love watching people that confuse being loud with being effective. The court told him to take off his plates. What a joke. He probably met his sovereign guru in a food court, where the guru declared he doesn't need any legal paperwork to drive a vehicle. There is no right to a supervisor. You can request, they can deny. Whose side is the supervisor going to be on the side of the law? What do you think about his behavior? Share your thoughts below. Lesson learned screaming. I know my rights won't overrule the law. It just turns a routine stop into a fast track to jail. Think screaming for the supervisor is bad. Up next, a couple takes sovereign delusion to a whole new level by turning their car into a barricaded courtroom.
Traffic infractions is a state law.
Not in law.
We don't have any links there.
On September 26, 2023, Coweta County deputies pulled over a vehicle for having an improper license plate. This is what officers encountered when a routine traffic stop turned into a full-blown legal standoff.
How you doing? My name is Deputy Greg with Coweta County Sheriff's Department. Can you hear me? The reason why I stopped you don't have a driver's license plate. You need a plate to drive in the state of Georgia. Do you have a plate? I can't hear you. I'm gonna come around. Solve a citizen. You have a driver's license? Driver's license? You don't have a driver's license? Yeah, the reason why I stopped you is for you not having a plate. Do you have a driver's license with you? Okay, in the state of Georgia, you need a driver's license and a driver's license plate. Do you have your driver's license with you? Sir, in the state of Georgia, you need a driver's license plate. All right, can you do me a favor and step out of the car, please? Can you step out of the car, please, sir? Yeah. Go ahead and step out of the car. Go ahead and step out of the car, sir. Sir. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle. That's not a driver's license. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle. That's not a driver's license. May I see it? Okay, step out of the car. Step out of the car.
Yeah, let's get him out.
Step out of the car. Sir, look, we're trying to be easy with this. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle. Sir, go ahead and step out of the vehicle. Sir,
Look,
step
you're
out.
getting out of this car or I'm getting you out of the car.
Sir. Hey, listen, last time, open the door. No, you're going to get off on this side. Get out of the vehicle.
A homemade plate and an overconfident brain. He thought rolling up the window would keep the police out, but his first lesson on exiting a vehicle is about to be taught by force.
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle. I'm telling you. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle. Look, we don't want to bust the window, but we will bust the window. Step out of the vehicle. Okay. Sir? Sir, you committed a traffic infraction. I need you to step out of the vehicle. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle. Go right there in front of my car. On you as well, ma'am? Ma'am? He committed a traffic infraction because you need a license plate to drive in the state of Georgia. You have your driver's license with you?
Traffic infraction a law.
Traffic infractions is a state law.
It's not a law.
Okay. No, man. It's a state law. It's OCGA. OCGA. If you want to Google it, you can. Look up OCGA. So do you have a driver's license? Fair enough, man. Hold tight.
I don't have any interest in committing any crime at all.
Sir, you need a license plate to drive in the state of Georgia. It is state law that you need a driver's license plate. Do you have a regular driver's license? So you don't have a regular driver's license? Have you ever obtained a driver's license anywhere? No, outside of that one, have you ever obtained a driver's license?
If you had to claim a state of residency, which would it be?
State?
Yep. Massachusetts.
Suspended out of Georgia, and the Massachusetts is expired like 2014. So up to you. I'd probably.
He claims he's no criminal, but the law judges actions, not words. Just wait until the number 10 years comes into play.
You gonna poke me, stick me, and stab me?
Right there?
What is it?
It's a knife in my pocket.
A knife in your pocket? And what's the front one?
What's that?
Front one?
That's right. It's right there. Yeah, I'm not a criminal, so.
Spread your feet for me real quick, sir. Come on. See if I can get you on a bigger vehicle. Hold tight right there. Go on their butt first. You just have to lay your legs back. I'm gonna try to get you in a bigger vehicle in a second, so hold tight.
I'm not gonna shoot him.
That's why I said just go in there and just take a seat right now.
No, ATTN 99164-176 status.
10-4, you can hold. Slide your butt back as far as you can go. Watch your foot, okay?
Status.
It's not too hot back here, is it? You need me to crack the windows? Crack the windows? Okay, hold tight.
Officers stay remarkably professional despite his non-stop rambling. Finding a weapon, however, instantly changes the dynamic.
Hi, ma'am. Do you have a driver's license? Do what now? Yes, ma'am. To drive to operate a vehicle, motor vehicle in the state of Georgia, you have to have a driver's license, okay? Do what now? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you do. Yes, you do. Okay, I understand that. You're right. It is a private automobile, but it also falls under the laws of the state of Georgia, and you have to adhere to those laws, okay? They're laws. They're created by the Senate, okay, state Senate. So, okay. All right. Well, okay. Well, here's the thing. He's going to jail. If you do not have a driver's license, we're going to have to tow the car because he does not have a driver's license, and his Georgia driver's license is suspended. So, if you do not have a driver's license, then you cannot drive this car either. And you need to step out of the vehicle because we're towing the car, okay? You understand what I'm saying? You don't understand me? Okay, well, you have to step out of the car so we can finish our business, okay?
There is no reason for you to step out
No,
of it.
yeah, we need to tow it if you can't drive it.
Yes, ma'am.
How do we get on top?
We have to tow the vehicle, okay?
So my vehicle,
Yes.
so if that went deep, fine.
Okay, that's fine, but just step out of the car.
You have a license?
I'll provide you with everything, okay? Hold on a second. Hey,
We'll give you a hold of it.
ma'am, how about this? I'll get it for you if you like. I'll write it on my card. Would you like me to write it on my card?
Our number, insurance number, Hato. We don't have any links, eh? Make it insurance number. Okay, get on. 82. You have a warrant to take it to jail?
Yeah.
You have a warrant to take it to jail?
Okay, that's me, ma'am. And everybody else is on the back, okay? Miss Edwards, I'm gonna need you to step out of the vehicle, okay?
It's laughable. She thinks state law doesn't apply to a private vehicle. Officer Thompson is about to expose what this sovereignty really means.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna ask you one more time to step out of the vehicle. or I'm going to charge you with obstruction, okay?
Really? What am I obstructing?
You're obstructing our investigation and finishing our job, okay? So I'm gonna ask you one time, this last time, to step out of the vehicle or you're going to a jail for obstruction. So please step out of the vehicle so we can tow the car and finish doing what we're doing here today. And we will make sure you get safely to the next destination, okay? And we will provide you with all the information you need to be able to get your car at a later date.
Everybody's name and best.
Yes, ma'am, I will do that for you, but I need you to step out of the vehicle. All right, Miss Edwards, come on. Is there something more I can help you with?
Well, something.
Okay. Yes.
I will have.
Miss Edwards, the thing is, I don't want you digging in the car for anything. I don't know if you have any weapons or anything like that, okay? At this point, I'm just asking you to step out of the car, and we will assist you in getting your items out of the car you want to take with you. Okay, well, I don't want you digging in the car, so just step out of the car. Well, what are you looking? Are you getting a driver's license?
An ID.
You're looking for an ID to give. Okay, where would that ID possibly be?
Not playing in the car. This is where I'm looking.
Okay.
And then that question is there.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and get your ID.
Where's your Georgia driver's license? The one from Gwinnett.
Where's your Gwinnett driver's license through Georgia? Okay, that is not valid. Because that is not an accepted identification. But it's not. I'm telling you it's not. So.
It's accepted by all other officers that I've,
They just didn't want to deal with you.
Deshaun Wiggins was charged with driving with a suspended license, obstruction, and operating a vehicle with an invalid plate. Nonsensical theories will never stand up against real law. Once the video went viral, viewers quickly flooded the comment section with their opinions. It's funny how she wanted the cop's bond number, but doesn't believe she needs insurance or a bond to drive. Cop, that is not a driver's license. Philantius, that is my sob sit card. Cop, this card came from a box of Cheerios. Georgia only recognizes cards from cornflakes. I need to start making SC tags, passports, and paperwork to sell on eBay. Apparently when it comes to the saying, a fool and their money is soon parted, never applied so much as to the subsit movement. What's your take on this case? Let us know below. Lesson learned. Slapping a fake plate on your car won't make you sovereign. It just turns a basic traffic check into an instant trip to jail. Fake cards and broken promises aside, this next fugitive thought, inventing a whole new identity and nationality would hide her active felony warrant.
What determines that I'm driving and I'm not traveling?
You're not traveling.
Because I'm supreme de jure law and I'm only supposed to speak to anybody that's of a higher supreme authority.
On April 26, 2022, Margate police stopped a woman for expired tags only to be hit with fake nationality claims. Watch a routine traffic stop turn into pure delusional legal nonsense.
Hello, Officer Strauss, Margate Police. Your driver's license? Stop me because your tag is expired.
No, it's not.
When I ran it, it's coming back expired. We'll figure it out. Do you have your driver's license?
I just got it, he said, so I bought the car a month ago, and he said that there was a problem with the, I gotta get my glove box.
You're fine.
I have my... said that there was something wrong with the title.
Okay.
It was taking a little bit longer. And so he renewed my tag.
Okay.
So I have till May.
Alright. I don't know if he did it properly. Do you have any paperwork that matches the tag? Where's your ID from? I've honestly never ever seen an ID.
That's my national ID card.
From what
I'm a
country?
Lodio American National Aboriginal Indigenous.
I'm sorry?
I'm a Lodio American National. You know what? And my travel pass is in the trunk.
Your travel pass?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to sound like an idiot, but what country are you from?
North American National Republic.
North National. Okay, I've never heard of that country.
It's North American National Republic.
Okay, do you consider yourself a sovereign citizen?
I don't consider myself a sovereign citizen.
Alright, like I said, I don't want to sound like an idiot. I'm not sure that I understand this card. Do you have a Florida driver's license?
No, I don't.
Have you ever had a driver's license from any state?
No. Not issued.
I'm sorry?
I have my
A self-printed ID and a self-proclaimed nationality. Can they really put her above the law? Her confidence will crumble the moment officers start pulling up her real records.
Listen to me. I've been a cop for a long time. Okay, this is not the first time I encountered somebody that wants to play this little game, and I'm not playing it. Okay? Is your real name Vanessa or not?
I'm D'Angela Bay.
Okay. D'Angela Bay, step out of the vehicle, please, and put your hands straight up in the air. Do not reach for anything.
You leave everything in the car.
Step out of the vehicle, put your hands on the roof of the car. Alright, place your hands behind your back. You're being detained right now until I figure out what's going on. I think you're actually Vanessa. You may identify as D'Angela or whatever it is, but I'm pretty sure you're Vanessa.
Your new registration, Vanessa and Julie are the original person.
Who's Vanessa?
My sister.
Well,
what's her date of birth?
I don't know.
You don't know? What's your date of birth? How old are you?
Come on, man. Why are you giving me this hard time?
No, come on. Because you're lying about who you are. That's why. 37 out of 50. I have one detained, possible 99. Can you check with North Lauderdale or Springs for a fingerprint scanner?
Come on, man. Why are you giving me this hard time?
Alright, come on. Because you're lying about who you are. That's
I'm
why.
not.
What does the name say on your birth certificate?
You guys, who's pulled me over? Who are you guys?
We're the Marty's Police Department.
Please, can you guys please call your chief?
Call the chief for what?
Please, just let them know that you guys have me here.
Who are you?
D'Angela Bay.
What's your real name?
D'Angela Bay.
He's gonna say, who's that?
What name were you born with? Okay?
D'Angela Therese Bay. It's actually D'Angela Therese Noriega Bay.
I'm pretty sure you're Vanessa. But have you ever been arrested before?
No.
Never in your life?
No. No drugs, no alcohol.
I didn't ask you
I
that.
pray all day and I don't
do I.
do nothing. I don't. No. The car was recently, just a few days ago, was supposed to be switched over.
Lying to officers on duty is a massive mistake that only makes things worse. The police stayed remarkably professional and calm, despite her absurd excuses.
Because I'm supreme de jure law and I'm only supposed to speak to anybody that's of a higher supreme authority. Because of my nationality.
You're in the United States.
Yeah.
Okay. So you understand that driving is a privilege, right?
Yeah, and I have my travel passes just in the trunk.
So
You don't need a travel pass to drive. You need a driver's license to drive.
You're driving.
I'm Aboriginal, Indigenous.
It doesn't matter.
Life.
It doesn't matter.
Notifications to the agency.
Ma'am, I'm sorry. I've seen this before. It never ends. Like, it's not gonna go the way you want it to go, and you know that. You know that. I don't know why you're making it prolonged. And you know that.
Well,
you're not a.
Broward County also knows, so I'm not too concerned.
Broward County also knows what?
They know who I am, so.
They might know who you are.
Absolutely, they do.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm sorry to interrupt you. What's your address that we can get updated files?
But you're traveling on a public roadway, okay? And in the state of Florida, you need to have a driver's license. Okay?
Just for not having a driver's license, that could be an arrest.
So what you believe is sovereign immunity doesn't exist. Because you're driving, you're not traveling. Are we on the same page?
What determines that I'm driving and I'm not traveling?
You're not traveling, you're driving. You're operating a motor vehicle. And you're not doing it for commerce. You're not doing it for commerce.
I'm not from here.
It's the road laws. The road laws in Florida are the exact same in Nevada, okay? They're all the same in the United States of America. So again, your sovereign immunity that you believe you have, the court doesn't see it that way. It never does.
Yes, it does. I've already been through this once.
Under what name?
Under D'Angelo Bay. That's why I said Broward County knows who I am.
What name were you booked under?
D'Angelo Bay.
And what was that arrest for?
I had to pee really bad. So I went pee in public. I had to go.
They took you for an ordinance violation? That was the only charge?
And then they dropped the charges. They changed my name. They gave me a whole new identity and address, and they kicked me out of the jail. So they coached me on my name. They coached me on the address.
Claiming to be supreme law and demanding to speak to higher up, she's living in a fantasy world of her own making. But the cold reality of an active warrant is waiting right behind that patrol car.
Confirmed the tattoo on her neck, and she got a little weird when we started getting into that area. And
she's like, I don't have anything.
I'm not doing none of that unless I'm being arrested.
Well, you are being arrested.
Why?
Because you have a suspended license and you have active warrants. I'm trying to confirm that those active warrants are you.
I don't know why you guys can't identify me. I just gave you my ID.
Okay, well, you're saying who you are. You don't mind giving me your fingerprint. So
My
your fingerprint
fingerprint is on that ID.
Well, that is way too small to verify who you are.
Yeah, we don't have a system to run that.
If you had a social or a passport or a driver's license from another state.
Listen, you may have changed your name, but I know that you're Vanessa.
It's in the trunk of the car. Listen, no. I'm not answering no more questions. I will only choose to speak with the lieutenant, the chief, the sheriff, or the judge. Anyone with an oath of office letter of acknowledgement. Broward County should know this. Broward County just needs to run my name and they'll know exactly who I am.
Well, I am Broward County, so I'm trying to run your information.
No, I'm not doing no fingerprints. We'll go through this again.
Alright, well, you're going to get fingerprint at the jail, whether you like it or not.
That's what happened last time.
They're going to fingerprint you no matter what. So.
You guys don't want to do that. You guys don't want to do that. I'm telling you.
Well, so if you're not Vanessa, then doing that would confirm that. Listen, hey, hear me out.
What am I being arrested for?
Hear me out. You look like Vanessa. I believe for 100% that you are Vanessa. Okay? If you're claiming that you're not Vanessa, Vanessa has active warrants and is going to go to jail. So if you're claiming that that's not you, even though you look like the picture, etc., if you're claiming it's not you, then you do the fingerprint, and then we confirm that that's not you, and then you'll be on your way.
I'm D'Angelo Bay.
Okay. So are you going to do the fingerprint to prove?
No, I'm not doing the fingerprint.
That's fine. Don't worry about it.
We'll be able to bond it out.
Yeah, you're going to sit in jail now. Okay?
Why am I being arrested?
For active warrants.
For active warrants?
Yes.
I don't have any active warrants.
You actually do.
No, I don't.
All right, have a seat
So
in
are
the
you
car.
going to read me my rights?
Have a seat in the car. No, I'm not, because I'm not questioning you. Have a seat in the car.
I hope our body cams are on. You guys are going to get in trouble for this. Yeah, no. Again, you guys are going to get in trouble again for this.
Have a seat.
The act falls apart when the tattoo on her neck exposes all her lies. No matter how much she protests or refuses fingerprinting, the handcuffs are unavoidable for a wanted fugitive.
51 main jail, 682.
Hey, can I ask why you ran my tag?
Because you don't need probable cause to run a tag.
I'm sorry?
We just go around and run tags all night. No specific reason.
You guys have those automatic tag scanners?
I do. But that's not why that didn't affect your stop.
But I mean, it showed that it wasn't expired.
On the one that was on your card, I don't know whether the guy gave you a fake tag or if I'm not suggesting that you manipulated it, but the registration paper that you gave me said April and my system says April.
Yeah, but the registration was in the trunk. I told you several times. With my travel bags.
Well, either way, it's they're not supposed to be issuing you more than one temporary tag. They should, once your first tag expires, that's why you get a temporary tag, is you get it for like a month,
Yeah,
and then
I paid him extra money for personal custom tags, and I've been calling him like nonstop, like, what's up with my tags? What's up with my tags? Like, I paid you extra to put a brush on this because I didn't want the 10 tags on there, and he said that there was something wrong with the title, signing of the title.
well, you gotta be careful with these dealerships. Make sure they're not doing sketchy stuff.
Did my car come up as okay? Like,
I mean, it's registered, it's just expired. But it's not, it's, like, your name's on it, but it's not, let me see, hold on. Like, it kind of shows still under their name, but then it shows registered to you.
it was supposed to be transferred to D'Angelo.
I mean, it is transferred.
It is D'Angelo, right?
No, it's...
And he did transfer it?
It's in the it's transferred to Vanessa.
It was transferred to Vanessa or D'Angelo? On the second round.
Vanessa, your real name. Your government name, whatever you want to call it. Alright, how about...
Identified as Vanessa, she was booked on her active out-of-state burglary warrant, plus new charges, driving with a suspended license, obstruction, and operating an expired invalid vehicle tag. When this body cam video was uploaded to social media, netizens left some interesting comments. I just bought the car. My mom just died. My religion says you can't fingerprint me. My fiance just died. My registration just perished. I don't know my birthday. I pray all day that you don't ask me about my lies. I have a travel pass. To all the attorneys out there, don't you feel foolish now you've been duped? How much did you spend on college and law school for $99? You could have gotten an all-encompassing law degree education from Amazon eBay. They mean old jails. They convinced her to use a different name and address before they released her. What's your take on this case? Let us know below. Lesson learned. Wearing a fake ID and chanting sovereign citizen won't erase your criminal record. It just turns an expired tag check into a one-way trip to jail for an active felony warrant. While fake nationalities rarely work, this next self-proclaimed attorney believed his YouTube fame and divine law could magically erase his handcuffs.
Stop moving. What are you doing? Are you seriously about to pull out your taser? I'm an attorney. Now you're in total violation. Big boy, get ready. Get ready.
On March 5th, 2025, Washington State Patrol stopped Cameron Wilson for a minor plate cover issue. What followed was pure comedy, a blend of constitutional gibberish and self-proclaimed lawyer delusion.
5 can go, stop.
What's going on? What's that?
You're not gonna violate my rights today.
What are you talking about? I'm seeing if you're okay.
I'm okay.
Okay.
You're not gonna violate my rights today, okay? I don't need your service.
Can you step back to your car, please?
No, I'm not gonna
step back to your car right now.
What do you mean?
Step back to your car.
Have you suspected me of committing?
Nothing.
Okay.
You have license.
Wait.
Stop. Let me talk.
Whoa.
You have license plate covers. That's illegal in Washington.
I'm
Get
not-
back in your car.
Dude,
Get back in your
call
car.
your sergeant.
Get back in your car.
I'm not gonna take demands from you.
Get back in your car.
That's not how this
Get
works,
back
bro.
This is exactly how
No,
it
it
works.
doesn't. I have
Get back in
constitutional
your
rights.
car.
I'm not getting back in my car.
Good for you. Get back in your car.
I'm not obeying an unlawful command.
That is a lawful command. Get
No,
back in your car.
I'm not getting back in my car. Call your sergeant, dude. This is not okay. You don't get that. You're not gonna violate.
510 Roosevelt, North 97 at 3, East Combative. You're going to get another unit out here.
Requesting additional unit combative, emergency traffic only.
Oregon Sam Lincoln 3, 99211. Get back in your car!
I haven't done anything wrong. You're not gonna violate my rights.
Sir,
I'm
get
an
back
attorney,
in your
bro.
car.
You're not going to violate my rights.
I need to see your license, your
I'm not
registration,
giving
and proof
you
of
anything.
insurance.
Nope. Yeah, I reserve all rights. I'm done talking to you. I reserve all rights. That's it.
Sir,
leave me alone.
I'm not leaving you alone.
You are leaving me alone.
At this time, you're under arrest, sir, if you don't stop this. Stop.
Hey, dude,
Stop moving.
You can't do that.
I can.
You can't harass me.
The reason for the stop is your license plate
You
covers.
didn't stop me. I was already parked on the side of the road. Leave
This
me
is
alone.
still a contest.
You said to me,
Stop
what did you say?
moving.
I'm checking on you to see if you're okay.
That was
Leave me alone.
The driver instantly turned hostile and refused lawful orders, quickly escalating a routine check. Watch how officers handle it when the driver starts getting aggressive.
I'm not leaving you. Stop moving right now. Stop.
Dude,
Stop
what
moving.
are you doing? Are you seriously about to pull out your taser?
Yes.
To a lawful person standing here
Stop.
doing nothing. Please, dude.
Stop.
Schonborn, de-escalate.
I am. I'm trying.
Okay.
You're the
All
one
right.
that's yelling, okay?
All right, let's de-escalate.
Okay.
Dude, I got one leg. I'm an
Cool.
amputee. If you violate me in any way, that's an 88 violation,
cool.
because you know that you do not have
I need
the
to
right
see
to
your
violate.
license.
I'm not giving you anything. I reserve all rights. I'm not speaking.
If you don't provide that, you'll be under arrest.
reserve all rights.
Provide
It's my right
information.
to remain silent.
Okay, good. I need to see.
I reserve all rights.
Then I need you to turn around. You're under arrest.
For what? What
For
crime?
not providing me the information
I don't
that
have to.
requested.
I'm
Yes.
reserving all rights. I don't have to give you
You're
anything.
under arrest.
Dude, stop touching me.
I haven't touched you once yet.
Then you're trying to harass me for what?
I am trying to arrest you now.
For what crime?
For not
there
providing
has to be
information.
probable cause and reasonable articulable suspicion.
Turn around right now.
Okay. Don't hurt me, bro.
I will not. Okay?
Why are you doing this to me, bro?
Why? Because you're not providing me the information.
I don't
Stop.
have to. Schomburger, I don't have to. Schomburger. Dude, this is a major constitutional violation. Stop. You're gonna lose all qualified immunity, bro.
Get back.
Okay, don't shove me. I got one leg, dude.
Okay.
Be nice, bro.
Sorry.
Please be respectful.
All right, let's go.
Okay, why are you pushing me?
We're
What
going
crime?
back to my car.
What crime have I committed?
We're going back to my car. I'm going to read you your constitutional rights, okay?
What am I being arrested for?
Failing to provide information when requested.
That's not a.
That is a crime.
Name the. Oh my God, bro! I cannot believe this is happening. I cannot believe this is happening.
From an illegal license plate cover straight to shiny handcuffs, Cameron is speed running his way to jail. But hold on, this self-proclaimed attorney's real show only begins once he hits the back seat.
You are totally in constitutional violation.
All right.
Big time, bro.
Go ahead. Take a seat. Take a seat.
You're a state patrol. You know
Take
you're
a
not
seat.
supposed to do this, bro.
Stay.
Bro, you know you're not supposed to do this. Why are you doing this right now?
Why?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
I first came to check on you, see if you're okay. I saw that you had license plate covers.
I'm on Oregon. I'm not, that's for Washington only,
Okay,
bro.
go ahead and take your foot.
You can't do that on other state courts. You know that. It's new.
5 Tingle in the Dale. 1 in custody. You can clear tones. Whew. All right. Sir.
I reserve all rights. I'm done.
All right. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right at this time to an attorney.
All discretion.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney before answering any questions.
You don't have a warrant for my arrest.
You have the right to have an attorney.
A warrantless arrest requires a gross misdemeanor or a felony.
If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you without cost if you so desire. You can exercise these rights at any time.
God bless me.
Do you understand these rights?
Father God, I'm praying to you right now to bless everything in this life.
Do you understand these rights?
Change the way that he's acting right now, Father. For there is no reason for these actions to be placed upon him. He has all discretion, Father, and I rain down and ask you, Father God, to bless this man in his heart. I ask that you have him change his ways right now, Father God, for there is no reason to justify any ill will being done whatsoever.
Do you understand these rights?
No corpus delicti or any mens reis or actus reis in relation to a crime whatsoever, Father God. I thank you.
Alrighty, your phone and headphones are right here, okay, as well as your hat, alright?
Where's the sergeant?
He's on his way.
Why'd you take my property from me?
Why did you keep it safe?
No.
When real law isn't on his side, Cameron turns to divine law to touch the officer's heart. Will these tearful prayers save him, or just make him look even more ridiculous?
No, it's to keep it safe.
No, you're a liar, dude.
Alright.
You know how bad this is going to look when I depose you? The deposition is going to be great. I'm letting you know that right now, bro. I'm an attorney.
Watch.
Oh my God. I'm an attorney, in fact, bro.
Is there anything in the vehicle you'd like me to grab for you before we go to the jail?
No, you're not taking any of my property.
I'm just asking.
And when the sergeant gets here, he's going to release me because you have no articulable suspicion of a crime being committed. Your first words out of your mouth was, I'm checking on you to see if you're okay, and you're back there lying to the sheriffs saying that you came up and because it was a license plate. You're a liar. God is going to show the truth of your actions today. You will be put on the Brady list. I promise.
What'd you get it for? It was a community caretaking stop at first, and I saw he had, well, the license plate covers. As soon as I stopped behind him, he's already out yelling at me, like, I'm not doing anything, I didn't do anything wrong. I'm like, okay, calm down, get back in your car. I need to see your license, your registration, proof of insurance, I'm not giving you anything. Alright, cool. So then it just kind of went down from there. Yeah.
I guarantee it.
Still failing to identify.
That's right. I have a constitutional right. I can be private at any time. I do not have to identify without a reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime. This is kidnapping and harassment. This is a deprivation of my rights under Title 18, Section 242 of 1983. I'm about to file a 1983, Section 1983, 1871 Ku Klux Klan Act complaint against you. And I know you don't know what that is.
Are you okay?
I am okay, and I know everything.
Are you on anything right now?
Nope.
I need to know about?
Nope.
No? Okay.
Nope. I don't do drugs, bro. You don't understand, bro. Let me speak wisdom into you. I have a YouTube channel that has over 4.5 million views in the past 28 days in relation to my lawsuit.
Okay,
look up Cameron Wilson versus Hood River right now, bro. Look it up.
Cameron Wilson's act comes to an end when he tries to cozy up to the sergeant only to get a cold reality check. Once identified, Cameron Wilson was booked on a long list of charges: failure to ID, obstruction, driving with a suspended license, along with active warrants for driving under the influence and bail jumping. With such a crazy situation, the comments that followed after the video was released are also noteworthy. He's an attorney to all the voices in his head. Screaming at a cop, then pretending to pray in a passive-aggressive manner is beyond offensive, except listening to him, he sounds psycho. Wait a sub who refuses to get back in his car. This has to be a first. What's your take on this case? Let us know below. Refusing orders and flexing fake legal status won't stop a ticket. It just guarantees a one-way trip to jail. Finally, from fake lawyers to full-blown felons, watch what happens when a driver advertises a stolen car packed with weapons using a sovereign citizen plate.
Foreign national.
You're a foreign national? I have a U.S. passport. I'm not driving right now. I'm just traveling. There was a gun in there. Your night is about to change for the worse.
On November 11, 2021, Johns Creek police stopped a Camaro with fake sovereign citizen plates only for a mechanical check to uncover a stolen car, a hidden gun, and an active warrant.
Hey, sir, how are you? My name's Officer Wyndham with the Johns Creek Police Department. You got your license with you? The reason I stopped you is because you don't have a valid license plate on your car. I need your driver's license from you, please. Alright, Can you go ahead and turn the car off for me as well? I appreciate it. Can I reach in the backseat? Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna take my seatbelt off. That's cool. Foreign national. You're a foreign national? Yes, sir. Okay. You don't have a driver's license? I have a U.S. passport. I'm not driving right now. I'm just traveling. Okay. Can I get your U.S. passport for me? Yeah. It's in my. I just left the gym. I guess you see me when I left the gym. Okay. Yeah. It's in my. Look at my pants. But I'm trying to. I think it's in my bag in the trunk. It's in the trunk? Yeah. Can you? Okay. You wanna? All right, go ahead and step out of the car for me. Is it easily accessible in your trunk? It is. It is. Go ahead and grab that for me if you don't mind.
A foreign national traveling on a passport, apparently forgetting he's in Georgia and not on Mars. Let's see how officers handle this stubborn tourist when he's ordered out of the car.
Okay. Run that if you could, please. Can you just let me look in the glove? I'll probably get the. I got the insurance papers in. Appreciate it. Go ahead and step on back out for me, please. What do you want me to do? Step on back out for me. We're gonna have a seat on my bumper over there for me, okay? That's your car? Yeah. Where did you buy it from? Where I buy it from? Yeah. I bought it from an individual. From where? A few years ago. Here in Georgia? I think it's Birmingham. Birmingham? Did it have an Alabama tag on it at the time? No. No? Can you copy a VIN for me, please? Just hang tight for me, okay?
2 years of traveling in an unregistered vehicle. That's not traveling. That's a direct invite to jail. But just wait, State Farm is about to help him remember the real name he tried so hard to forget.
Turn around for me. Turn around for me. Hey, what's going on, sir? You're being detained for right now. You got a warrant for your arrest. I can fit a finger into both cuffs, okay? 210, I have one male detained. Go ahead and confirm that, please. Face my bumper for me. Where is it out of?
Marietta.
What floor do you know? Spread your feet for me. Get you out of the rain. I'll put you in the back of my car for right now, okay? Just have a seat in there for me for right now, okay? All right. Do you have his passport? Huh? Do you have his passport?
Let me go look at the hit more. I still want to get a VIN off somewhere else on that car.
That was from the, that VIN that I read was from the door. From the door? Yeah, you can try and, if you want, you can try and get the hood one or something.
Yeah, I will.
Give me his passport so I can run him.
There you go.
I'll take a look at that. Try to get a VIN on the car.
All right.
Go ahead.
Just about, I'm not going to return that van. I tried 2016 and 2017 for it. It might be the issue with GCIC for tag returns at the time.
Clear if you could. Try running that through Alabama as well, please. Say again?
What seems to be the problem with my motor?
Your motor? No, we're trying to get a correct VIN off of your car.
With his real name exposed, officers dig deeper into the car's mechanics. They suspect the vehicle's identity was professionally altered to cover up a much bigger crime.
2 years ago.
He said he's had the car for 2 years.
And he's a foreign national, that's why he hasn't registered it.
He's had the car for 2 years and has not registered it the whole time. Because he's a foreign national. So, what is your verdict or why traffic law? Okay. What are you writing?
I'm hitting him with 42.8 for the unregistered car, 42.41 for the improper tag. That's not a tag issued by the state of Georgia, and he's displaying it. And license to be exhibited on demand because he didn't provide me with a driver's license.
No one's saying you could impact with it unregistered.
Okay.
And then it would also be attempting to conceal the identity of the vehicle. I don't remember what 40 code that is.
I can look it up real quick.
But,
210, go ahead and start United for one, please.
42.7.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'll explain everything to you. You're going to get a couple of charges. Your car is getting impounded today because it's been unregistered for over 2 years. In the state of Georgia, when you purchase a vehicle, especially when it's from out of state, you have to update. You have to get a valid tag within 30 days of moving, or 30 days of obtaining a tag. It's been 2 years. And if you buy it from a personal, like a private seller within the state of Georgia, which you didn't, but you have to get it. You have to get it registered within 7 days. Clearly, we're over that time frame as well. So. Your car is getting impounded today. You're getting a couple of tickets, and we'll go everything from there.
240. That then will be 1 Golf, 1 Foxtrot Hotel. And out of Georgia and Alabama, please.
$10 to $40. It's coming back 52.
It's 52. So a Camaro?
Yeah.
Okay, that was off of one of the other stickers on there.
Oh, I didn't see that one.
Yeah, it's a hidden one.
Good catch.
Uncovering the hidden VIN confirms it's a stolen ride, but things get dangerous when officers check the very bag the suspect was digging through earlier.
Mr. Arrington, so I am waiting on more further information on the vehicle. Okay,
So upon further investigation of the vehicle, making sure that it's registered properly and everything like that, we were able to find a secondary VIN of this actual car. This car comes back stolen out of Alabama about 2 years ago when you told me you had initially purchased the vehicle from somebody over there, okay? So I'm awaiting confirmation on that stolen vehicle.
You said it came like a what now?
Say again?
You came like what now?
It's stolen. That's a stolen car. About the same time period, you told me that you had come into possession of the vehicle, okay? You have it registered, or not registered, you have it insured in your name under the VINs that I've run from the dash and the door stamp to State Farm.
So where are you getting another VIN from? I don't understand.
Somewhere over the door. So I'm waiting for that. Based off of what the computer system and the GCIC operators tell me on that, your night is about to change for the worse. Okay? I'll be back with you shortly whenever I get confirmation on that, alright? Which VIN did you see?
This VIN way up here tucked up under the door latch is the legit VIN.
Oh, they tried to make it close.
They got really close because this one's
the same as that one.
Yeah, but this one is stolen. There's a couple other locations on here that you can find hidden VINs. I just haven't looked for them yet because that one was easier. But supposedly, there could be one back in here behind the engine block somewhere.
They said there's one on the firewall too, but I don't know exactly where it is. They also said on the app either it was on the firewall, and if it's not on the firewall, it may be on the passenger floorboard.
They said there should be one up in here too, but I can't seem to find that one.
Good deal. Good.
Yeah, good catch, man.
Deal.
I told you that VIN was fake. You were ready to just cut them loose on tickets.
Well, I saw the door.
Stolen straight from a Tennessee dealership. Officers are now dealing with a convicted felon who likely has a dangerous weapon well within reach.
Said it was stolen. I'm just going to leave the owner blank, to be honest with you.
Yeah, because
it was out of Murfreesboro, Tennessee, right?
Correct.
I'm just going to put stolen out of Murfreesboro, Tennessee.
Because the hit says it was stolen from GMC car lot in Murfreesboro. Say again? What do you mean, what does that mean? The car is stolen. That's what's going on. Okay, that's fine.
What do you say?
It's not stolen.
Okay, it is though.
Alright, Mr. Arrington, at this time you are under arrest for possession of stolen property.
Here you go. Here's another charge.
Where's that?
Weed.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay. Take that, if you don't mind.
I'll put it in there.
Since you're impounding the car, can you do the search?
Mm-hmm.
Anything else you find?
I thought I smelled a little bit of it, but it was kind of faint.
Good for you, because COVID wiped out my smell.
Yeah, it did.
I'll add that on here.
Anything else I find, I'll put in my sub, and I'll do the evidence on it.
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you.
Anytime.
Yes, sir.
Serial number Hotel Lima Yankee 5067 HLY 5067 on a Smith & Wesson 40 caliber. Well then, this just keeps getting more and more fun.
This car is the gift that keeps on giving.
This is the bag he was digging around in when he was looking for his passport, correct?
Yes. There was a gun in there?
Yes, there was a gun.
Oh, that's
I don't like that.
I don't either.
Well, I'll bag this too.
That's...
Oh, this just keeps getting more.
It's a good experience, you know. I'm gonna charge him with felon possession of firearm, because he was actually charged with that too in Alabama.
Oh, cool.
I really ran a CH. 210 to radio. show me en route to headquarters. Which one I don't know. Starting mileage 80544.
All excuses end when the patrol car door shuts. Christopher Arrington was booked for theft by receiving stolen property, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, possession of a firearm during a crime, and drug possession. The comment section quickly filled up as viewers reacted to the events and shared their personal takes on the incident. The standard cop replied to "I'm a foreign national" should be "Excellent, what country are you from and what's the best number to contact your embassy? What kind of cretin drives around in a stolen car and then advertises their illegality by putting phony license plates on it, thus guaranteeing that they will be noticed and stopped by any copper with eyes or flagged up by any ANPR camera they drive past? It's a bold move to go with the soft-sit script when driving a stolen car, and an even bolder move to insure a stolen car in your name. But then again, soft-sits are bold guys. Lesson learned: slapping a fake sovereign citizen plate on a stolen car is the fastest way to turn a routine stop into a felony arrest. Which arrest case did you find most interesting? Leave your opinion in the comments below this video. And if this is your first time watching a Stronger Law video, don't forget to subscribe to see more interesting content like this.